Hey everyone, it's Chellina Achol, the Sudani mommy, yay! The DIY diva at that. I'm back with another video. This is how I built my floating aesthetic looking bed. I've seen so many videos on YouTube about people that built their own bed, about their lumber. Yeah, I ain't got it like that. You know, I can use a screw and a drill, but that's as far as it goes. So I got these pieces from WAYFAIR. They're pre-drilled, all the holes and everything. You just have to put it together and follow the instructions. That I can do. So here you see me laying out all the pieces, organizing them first and taking inventory for sure to make sure I have all the pieces. Which is which. Here you see all of them laid across. I wanted like a warmy grayish kind of tone, like a taupe color, but it ended up being just like a really gray color. It doesn't really fit the vibe of my bed so great, but I'm thinking maybe I'll dye it later or something. But as for now, this is what we're doing. I'm laying all the pieces out just flat and getting everything where it needs to be before I set them up and start building them together. The floating bed comes in kind of like two sections. There's like a box in the middle and then a flat surface all across the top that hides the box portion of it so you don't really see it. You saw it at the beginning, you'll see it at the end. Here you're just watching me build and put all the pieces together. A nice little visual. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is man, tell them, man, I don't need no hood for the shit. Shorty right there, shit. Shorty is shit. Yeah, shorty is shit. Shorty you the shit. Oh yeah, she fine, shorty a dime. You should tip her. Here I am putting in the floor stopper to kind of get a grip on the ground so it doesn't move around too much. I put that under every plank throughout the entire bottom of the bed frame. Now here you see I'm just drilling the sides together, making sure everything is lined up evenly. Shorty right there, shit. Shorty is shit. Yeah, shorty is shit. Shorty is shit. These are the stopper pieces I was telling you that go on the bottom. I had to flip over the box upside down to be able to put the rest of the box stickers on. Now here was a little difficult. These are the plank pieces and you had to make sure you put them on the right end. This is like the footboard side of the bed. The front of the bed lays flush up against the wall. There's no headboard to this side. Shorty rock to the beat for your boy. Shorty, yeah, do it, yeah. Rock to the beat for your boy. Radio killer, killer. Shorty flap it, shorty tight it. Should've stayed there all night it. And here I am just drilling them into the box. I forgot to mention, I think this bed was about like $320 some. It took a couple weeks to get in, I think a month. I'll put a link to where I purchased this down below in the comments so you can check it out. And here's the floating vibe. You put the edges around so it looks like it's floating, but I had to flip it upside down because you have to actually drill it. Now to see you at 23, all I can say is hey, man, I don't need no hook for the shit. Shorty right there, shit. Shorty is shit. Yeah, shorty is shit. Shorty you the shit. Oh yeah, your team, so I'm so deep. Burberry fragrance on my shirt from when she hugged me. Hard as a rock when she touched me. You know, cause she would've loved me. What it is, what it ain't, tell me what to do. I know I'm late, but destiny brought me back to you. I must have turned you into a butterfly. I had to say hello, tell your nigga goodbye. It was Keisha, it was Sonya, it was Tanya, it was Monique, it was easy. So here I am sliding it underneath to make it flat. The wood area was cut out so you're able to drill it in. I did that all around the side, 3 sides, making sure it's nice and flush, and then drilling the side in as well. This was a lot of screws all the way around. It's got to hold it steady. And then I also put like gray thumbtacks to cover the holes that I drilled. I'm flipping it back over again. This job would have been nice if I had some help, you know. I did it as one person, but it was definitely heavy. It didn't take too long though, because voila, here is the finished product. What it looks like. Again, the gray is a little darker and cooler than I was expecting, but it still looked great. Hopefully you guys enjoyed that quick little video. See you guys, bye. Shout it,